So we start off in Malta Airport's lounge on the outdoor terrace, getting the last bit of Maltese sun before we leave. Heading into the lounge, where it's nice and peaceful. Good array of snacks, food and drinks to choose from. All self-service buffet style. Nice to have some fresh fruit already prepared.
Just looking for right. Thank you very much.
Top up on caffeine after a busy last day in Valletta. Selection of spirits lined up. Now to Titan Airways. Nice, clean, modern looking plane.
London Gatwick this evening, operated by Titan Airways. Our captain today is Captain Patrick Wilson, and he's joined in the flight deck by First Officer Luke. We expect our flight time to be in the region of 3 hours. In preparation for departure, please check that your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back is in the upright position with the centre armrest down, your window blind fully opened, and your...
Take off on the short runway of Malta. Comfortable seating with good legroom. Middle seat is left empty in business class area. All catering is still done by British Airways, so you aren't missing out in that department. The Titan Airways crew were super attentive and nothing was too much trouble for them. Great service throughout the whole flight. So from our experience, you can relax if your flight has been replaced by Titan Airways. Service and catering is amazing and exactly what you expect from any more well-known airline.